Hello guys! Good afternoon! Time check tayo. It's 5:15 p.m. ng July the 5th. Oh, July 5 na. Kasi kahapon, 'di ba? Nag-celebrate tayo ng 4th of July. Ngayon, busy ako kanina. Hindi ako makapag-vlog ng maaga. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, wala akong mic, pasensya na guys. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, pupunta na naman tayo dun sa bahay ni Roland, ng brother-in-law ko. Continue lang. As usual, continue lang. Kasi, macho naman nung dumaan. Continuation lang kasi Sabado ngayon, o diba? Gagawin, so might as well, enjoy, i-continue natin yung day off natin. Ganun lang talaga dito. Ganun ang buhay dito sa amin sa Indiana. By the way guys, ito yung mga basyo. Basyo ba tawag dyan? Ayan yun o. Diyan nagdaan yung mga fireworks. Ganyan. So, yeah guys, that's all for now. Alaga na. Punta na tayo dun sa ating oops, patayin natin yung music bago tayo mag-copyright. Ayan. Punta na tayo doon sa bahay ni Roland. Tignan natin kung ano ang balita. Yung moisturizer ko, magmamantika na. Ayan. Medyo lumamig na yung sasakyan. So, okay na tayong pumasok sa sasakyan.
Dito look, dahil siya upstairs.
Yeah.
Wala sa kas-kas.
Cash and money.
No!
We might play.
Hindi na. That's a fun.
The one that you got.
It's $50. No!
Well, I'll go with you. Where you going?
What are you doing?
Okay. Alright. So, ano ba ano ba yung sinabi ko? Sabi ko nag-melt na yung ating moisturizer. Yeah. Yeah. Punta na tayo, alis na tayo. Punta na naman tayo doon sa bahay ni brother-in-law. At manggulo tayo doon. Baka mabangga ako pa yung sasakyan niya. Diyos niyo. Anyway, ingat-ingat tayo sa pagdadrive kasi ayaw nating makabangga tayo, di ba? Ayan si Mr. So separate kami ngayon ng sasakyan. Magmi-meet up kami sa gas station. Bibili tayo ng scratch off. Scratch off, ano lang yun guys? Bingo, yun ang alam ko sa scratch off. Para siyang Powerball, pero scratch off siya. Ito nga pala guys, yung parking. Parking, no, it's not parking. Park, yung laruan ng mga bata. Diyan yan. Ito naman guys, yung school sa amin. Ewan ko lang kung nakikita nyo. Ano to? I believe 4th grade. Grade 4 or 6th grade. Grade 6. Ayan. Ang tawag dito guys, tawag dito sa Amerika. Kasi 'di ba sa atin, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 6, ganon. Dito ang tawag sa Amerika, 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade. Bakit ganon palagi, no? Parang palaging opposite. Ito naman guys, yung malaking building dito sa left side. Kung nababasa nyo, ang sabi is, ayan o, Schneck Hospital. Yan naman ang aming hospital dito sa lugar ko. Ayan. Hindi ko lang kung makikita nyo. Pero ayan guys, ayan ang aming hospital. Diyan ako nanganak. Diyan ako, ano pa ba, kung nagkakasakit, diyan din. So, isa siya sa magandang hospital lugar. So, yeah. Ayan, yung building na yan. Isa siya sa magandang lugar sa amin dito sa Indiana. At ito naman, ayan naman guys, yung church na yan. Ano ba ang tawag sa church na yan? I'm not sure. I think they call it Lutheran Church. Yeah. Lutheran Church, yeah. Hindi marami ang ano dito guys. Hindi marami dito yung mga Christian or Catholic. Iba-iba yung mga religion nila. Pero ang napapansin ko lang na marami ditong religion, Pentecostal, yung mga nakapalda. Ayan. Tapos, ewan ko lang kung makikita nyo. Ito yung aming, hindi mo makikita. Ito yung library. Ayan, library namin dito. Ayan, di ko maikot kasi yung camera. The camera. Anyway, yung religion, hindi maraming, ito guys, church na naman yan. And this is, what kind of church this one is? I'm not sure. They call it Presbyterian Church. Yeah. Presbyterian Church. Yeah. Ang daming dito guys. Ang daming iba't ibang religion. Hindi katulad sa atin sa Pilipinas, like 90% mga Katoliko. Dito, ang dami. Hindi ko alam. Tapos, ayan, napunta yung usapan natin sa church. Dito, siguro, nagtataka kayo. Kung magtatanong kayo, if I go to the church, sa totoo lang po, pasensya na makulit yung ulo ko kasi kalsada yung dito. Tatawid tayo Kung curious kayo, if I go to church, comment down below and I'll tell you how often I go to church, paano yung style dito if you go to church. Just comment down below. That's it. Ngayon, punta na tayo sa back road. Kita mo yung bahay guys. Ang cute-cute niya, di ba? So anyway, punta na muna tayo kay Roland. Ay nako, nagpunta ako sa iba.
What?
Oh my God. Pumalpak ako. Hindi ako nagpunta sa gas station. Ano ba yan? Na-distracted ako kasi nagkukwentuhan tayo. It's okay. Agay, asa na ba ako? Ang kagandahan sa lugar na to, maraming mga shortcut. Yan ang kagandahan sa lugar na to. Ngayon, saan kaya ako lalabas? Kasi imi-meet up ko sa dyan sa gas station. Abol. Saan kaya ako makakalabas? Lalabas ba dito? Baka doon ako sa kabila lalabas. Oh my God. Sige na guys, balikan ko kayo mamaya pag malapit na ako kay Roland, ha? Kasi hindi ko na alam kung saan ako liliko. Naligaw na ata ako. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sana hindi ako maunahan ni Jude. Nandito na tayo sa gas station guys. Nandito na si June. Pasok tayo sa gas station. Andito na tayo, guys. Dito na tayo sa bahay ni Roland. Ayan. Mag-back up tayo. Oops. We're gonna go back up. Ako, yung asawa ko. May camera naman tayo, guys. Kaya hindi naman tayo mababangga sa likodan. Side mirror, front camera. O, diba? Ayan, guys. Nandito na tayo. Bumili tayo. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Oh. Biligan tayo ni Mister ng pang-scratch. Patayin natin yung sasakyan. Tanggalin natin dito. Labas na tayo. Guys, wish me luck. Paano tayo lalabas nito? Puno na naman yung kamay natin. Hirap mag-vlog, no? Ayan. Ano na naman to? Oh, akala ko. Where you going? Oh. Oh, my hand is full. Ang tapang ng araw, guys. What? God, my hand is full. Oh my God, it's okay. Ako, matutostado tayo sa sa araw. Hinihintay ko nga pala si si Pe. Oh, ayan na si Madam Pe. Tama-tama. Mainit yung panahon. Nagluto daw siya ng sinigang. Kaya sabi ko, alika na, kakain tayo ng sinigang. Guys, tignan nyo yung laruan ni Uncle Roland. Oh, ano ba naman yan? Oh. Ayan ang kanyang asawa, guys. Wala siyang asawa.
Okay.
Wala rin siyang girlfriend.
I don't want one.
Nandyan pala siya sa likod ko. I don't want one.
Single virgin.
Yeah, right? Sabi ko, he's not married.
Single virgin.
And he don't have a girlfriend. Uy, langaw. But, tignan nyo naman po yung mga laruan niya. Oh. Diba? Ang dami niya mga chopper. That's a lot of toys. Ayan. Oh, ayan. Tapos kita nyo naman, guys, naka-electric pan pa yan.
You're on the cake, man.
Oh, ayan, guys. Laruan niya. Naka-electric pan pa yan, guys. See? Ganyan niya kamahal yung yung laruan niya. Uh-oh. Oh, Zoe! Zoe is here. Hi!
Hello.
Dito na naman tayo, manggugulo. Oh, nandito ka na agad? Oh, bakit? Ah, okay.
You want some? Kendall. Ang init, nagsinigang ka.
Dapat niya. Tayo na. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Oh my God, I was waiting that last night.
Tignan mo naman si Zoe, kawawang aso. Oh, ala! Tignan mo si Zoe!
Sabi nung anak ko, lalaki. Nakuha mo sa video, sabi niya,
I did.
Yung asawa mo, yabang-yabang ngayon, Joby.
Oh, hi Zoe! Nakalabas ka ng bahay? Hi Zoe. Sinasamantala lang namin, guys, habang tayo ay walang trabaho sa trabaho. Yung si Zoe.
Hindi ako diet eh.
Hindi kami tayo.
No! Sarap ng kayak yun. Uy, babe, guys! Ang bili na cookie.
Ha?
Kala ko ground.
Okay ko, okay naman. Teka lang.
Nada.
Nagmamarites kami. Ala, ang laki naman ng Mountain Dew na yan. Arya, are you okay, baby? Are you okay? Are you tired? Ano bang ginagawa niya sa fridge?
Are you earlier this morning with Mama?
Oh, wala nang laman.
Wala nga eh.
Anong with
May kanin ba tayo? Do we have a rice?
Get off me! It's ready!
We do?
Ate Joey, you know what these two did?
What? What that one did?
Evan FaceTime me.
Uh-oh. Oh, Evan didn't go?
No. Evan FaceTime me and then I was like, where you at? I'm hiding under the bed. I said, why are you?
What?
There's stuff outside. Was my lovely daughter.
Call the
The
oh
911.
my God!
God.
Oh, I'm sorry, my mouth's so big.
She said, Mommy, Mia made me push the button.
So what happened? What
Oh,
happened?
the cop showed up. My mommy opened the door. Oh.
And then
And it's the cop.
and then
And then, is everything okay? Yeah.
Oh my.
Someone called 911. Oh my god.
Arya. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, no good.
It's okay. It happened to me, Arya. Well, because I tried to dial 011. You know when you call long distance in the Philippines, 011, I ended up dialing 911. It happened. See guys, oh yan, istorya na naman. Alam nyo guys, nung bagong dating ako dito, nung panahon, hindi pa uso yung Facebook, Messenger, long distance pa talaga. Kailangan may long distance kami sa phone. So anyway, alam nyo naman, sa Amerika, opposite ang oras sa Pilipinas. So kapag gabi dito, umaga sa Pilipinas. So, tumawag ako sa Pilipinas, ng gabi dito sa akin, syempre umaga dun sa ano ba yan? Tama ba yan? Tumatawag ako sa Pilipinas, gabi dito, syempre umaga doon. Ayan, ayusin natin yung salita natin kasi nagmamadali na naman ako magkwento. But anyway, I tried to dial kasi dito ang area code 01163 tapos yung cellphone number na like 917 blah blah blah. Eh kasi nga katamaran ko hindi ko inon yung ilaw kaya accidentally kong napindot kasi 'di ba yung 0 at saka 9 doon ano pa yun guys ha, hindi pa yung cellphone, yung landline pa yun. So I'm trying to dial 011. Nagkamali ako ng dial. Ang napindot ko 911. Oh. Tapos ang nangyari, hinang up ko na kasi sabi ko bakit di ko makontak yung pamilya ko sa Pilipinas. So hinang up ko na. Guess what happened, guys? Yung 911 dito sa Amerika, they call me right away to make it sure everything's okay. So they call, and syempre nung time na yon, hindi naman natin hindi ko alam kung yung phone ko noon, yung home phone namin that time, mababasa yung yung number kung sino tumatawag sa iyo. I don't remember. But anyway, sinagot ko naman siya. Nung sinagot ko, yun na nga, yung 911, yung mga police, sabi nila, is everything's okay? Kasi meron kaming natanggap na tawag galing sa number ko nga. Tapos sabi ko, oh, I'm sorry. Sabi ko, I didn't mean to call you guys or dial you guys. It just accidentally. So, okay naman. Hindi ko alam kung umikot sila or pumunta sila dun sa bahay ko. Kasi nakikita yan nila eh. Nakikita nila yan. Yung mapa nila, high-tech sila, high-tech. So anyway, yon ako rin, nagawa ko rin yun accidentally. Ayan na. Yung mga bata. Andiyan na sila there. Oh my God! Be careful. Hey, it's okay you get scratched. You better not scratch that. Oh,
I would have to make sure
Yeah.
on me.
yeah.
Let's see. Okay. Now we forgot about it.
Anyway, tingnan natin kung anong What is that?
Chili dog.
Chili dog.
Okay.
And this one's supposed to be, ito guys, empty na. Empty na yan, mga yan. Ayan, chili dog.
Okay ba?
That's Sinigang, Alex.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sinigang.
And some kind of dip,
I was like, where did
sinigang,
you come from? I
sinigang,
didn't even see you walk up
and
here.
rice.
Now we're inside.
Oh, you were inside.
Yeah,
Kahit mainit. Kahit mainit guys, kahit saan tayo magpunta, sinigang is life. Ito guys, kahit mainit ngayon, kain pa rin tayo ng sinigang. By the way guys, itong sinigang na to, ito tayo, para yung ilaw. Ayan, makita nyo kung mas mabuti. By the way guys, itong sinigang na to, baka. Beef sinigang.
What is that? What are you eating?
Pero ang sarap. Sinigang.
Of course, I'm the one who cooks. Gaga.
Hindi siya maasim na maasim like
Eh, paano
before.
reklamador ka?
Hindi naman ako nagreklamo.
Eh, may tawag mong papalador.
Nagsasabi lang naman.
Hey,
Ah,
nung nagluto ako ng karne kong ano, di pa ako naglalaro ng volleyball nun, no?
hindi pa.
Di pa?
Hindi pa.
Siguro yun ang nakaano sa akin.
Tapos siguro naglaro ka na.
Sa Pilipinas guys, very common baboy. Baboy, sinigang. Tapos yung nandito ko, yung nanay ni Gang, hindi kasi yung kumakain ng baboy. Pag gustong sinigang, baka. So, doon ko na-experience, sorry. Doon ko na-experience, masarap pala yung sinigang na baka. Ay! Ito ang problema dito guys, pag nakatira sa country. Tinatawag nila tong country kasi parang probinsya, malayo siya sa syudad, malayo sa city. Kaya tinatawag nila tong country. Ngayon, yung mga country house, ano siya, anong tawag nun? Taniman ng mga mais, soybeans, tapos may nag-aalaga ng baka. Kung naalala nyo yung isang video ko doon, tinignan namin yung baka. Ito yung video. Don't forget to watch. Anyway, syempre yung mga hayop dito, kasi nga country, hindi maraming mga taong nakatira far away from the people. Kaya yun, ang problema lang, pag sa country ka nakatira, maraming mga bugs. Number one, yung langaw. Sarap. Ano yung kutsara? Ito lang yung nahanap kong kutsara, ang laki-laki oh. Pero sarap guys. Kahit mainit. Kain ta. Uncle Chip, when you gonna eat?
Sandwich. There's nachos right here, Junior. I'm just gonna make barbecue sandwich.
You gonna eat American food? You not gonna eat Filipino food? Nahihiya daw siya, sumubo. Bakit ka nahihiya? Why you're shy? Chip? Ang sarap guys. Siguro next month, malaki na yung mga sitaw natin.
What's that thing you brought out?
Kuha pa ako ng sabaw.
Oh, straight. shower?
Oh, because of, parang kala mo, hindi tayo sa, parang kami palaging nakatay. Beef, it's good, it's not sour. Di tayo gutom. Ano to? Konti lang yung kanin. Pero, maraming gulay. Naglalagay kami pala dito guys ng ano, patatas. Patatas yan. Kung nakatira ka sa Amerika, kanya-kanyang diskarte na lang talaga. Oh, may sili siya. Mamaya, punta tayo dun. Pagkatapos natin kumain. Manggulo tayo dun.
Wali pa. One more?
Yeah, we
Oh, wait.
we need yeah, we need that. Come on, man. Come on, I ain't going out now.
What is that, Chip?
One more up there.
Okay.
And then go get one more per.
Oh, you're trying to set up the table. Ate Pe, thank you for the sinigang. It was good.
Eh, saan mo tuwa yung talong mo?
Hi! Hi! Can you say hi? Ay! Ayan, nagdala na si Roberto. Magkakaraoke kami today.
Out in the heat.
Oh, yung ano ko sinigang.
Eh, kung mo pitch pa mango.
Hindi kami nag-karaoke kahapon, guys. Kasi punong-puno yung garahe ng
Lasing yung
pagkain.
operator.
Tapos lasing daw yung operator. O, pansin nyo guys, nagmamantika na naman ako. Kasi ang init nga. You can tell. Ngayon, isi-set up niya.
White boy that can't stand it.
White boy.
White boy.
Is that not racist when you say white boy?
I'm a white boy. We can't try that.
I cannot say white boy. Kasi bad yun dito. Ibig sabihin nun, racist daw ako pag ano.
But here's the question that has caused scholars, historians, and theologians for centuries.
pie.
Kaya, before you stop.
I ate that too.
The food is good.
You like me fat.
We love you, no matter what. Tall, short, skinny, whatever. Andrew, here.
You don't like it? It's got me on a toasted.
Come here. Gumawa si Jun ng ano guys, like yung Jollibee mango peach pie. Uncle Chip, you have to be honest. What do you think about that? White guy. White guy is not nice. You're gonna be honest, what do you think? Oh, be careful. It's dripping. Is that good or bad?
Good.
That's good.
Relax again.
Is it good? You're not lying? Okay.
It's like a.
It's good anyway, guys. Yung mango peach pie ng Jollibee, it's good.
Last year my right foot was swelling, my left knee swelling. I don't know where I go back to use things to do it again. Also, trying to help people out and now I can work.
Uncle Chip, slow down.
That's not fine, Jim. It is on video too.
All I hear. Try it. Slow down. Slow down.
That's on video, Jim.
You got it now.
Is that your third one?
Oh God, it's coming now, Jim.
You made that the hot.
Wala tayong magawa. Sana nakaka-copyright. Naku, hindi ito yun. Hindi ko alam ito.
After a war is touched, how do you slow your breath? After the body rush, how do you free your soul? After you found the friend, how do you teach your heart and mind to fall in love? Oh, you probably won't remember me. It's probably ancient history. I'm one of the chosen few. Wait, I'm headed close to you. How to you now is such a felt and as I felt in love. I'm calling you my hand. Someone rise again. I must hide the silver moon and the evening time. Oh, some sweet day gonna take away the time. Will never be new, but you come
What is this hard thing? It's never been in here before.
What hard thing?
What do I keep feeling it's hard?
Yeah. Oh, there's a boat. That's what happened. You can eat late.
I'm pissed.
Too bad.
You got it.
Oh, God. Have you had that before, the Filipino sinigang? Oh, you did?
Yeah, I made it last year, and I took some home.
Oh. Just eating it without rice? Yeah? Okay.
That good.
How about you, Kendall? Have you tried that before?
I don't remember.
Oh my God. Okay, that's a challenge.
Yes, you are last year.
I think she was
I
drunk.
don't remember.
I think she was drunk.
Oh, so delicious.
You didn't like it. Sour? It's not too sour, just enough, right?
A lot of flavor.
Oh, okay.
It probably reminds me of vegetable soup.
Vegetable soup.
Yeah, but like more flavor.
Okay. Because I know vegetable soup, not sour.
Yeah, no, it's not sour at all. It just the
Little-
flavor reminds me of like my mom puts a lot of vegetables in her vegetable soup, like more than the average. Look at that pepper.
Are you gonna eat that?
I didn't. There was several excuses why I wasn't doing it. It was stressing me out. Well, they were willing to take that up. Somebody else wanted now.
Gago! Hello? Sushi, babe! Sushi!
A lot of crazy people. Ano pa rin sila, papaputok ba? Be! Be, halika doon! Ah! Wala, hawakan mo. Oh, ginagawa nila guys yung fireworks. Nililinis nila guys yung mga ayan oh. Wow, Uncle Chip, you did a good job. Woo. Oh, ang daming kalat guys sa paputok. You're doing a good job, Uncle Chip.
I got it, Joby, I got it.
I'm proud of you. Huh?
I got it. I got it.
What else? Where's you gonna put it?
Go with this one.
Oh.
So you just open it up, Josh.
Whoa! Yes, there's plenty. One more.
One more.
Pagkatapos magpaputok, guys, di ba nag-celebrate kami ng Independence Day of 4th of July. Ayun, maglinis naman ng mga kalat. Kasi, syempre, tomorrow is Sunday. Pahinga naman dahil yung mga third shift, papasok na sila sa work.
There's guys like the ones that do like the 4th of July or the Thunder over Louisville. Man, they make big money. And they're making
Yes. That's a good quick.
Don't hit me.